A nutritious breakfast can kickstart your day and boost your productivity. To maximize your morning energy, focus on foods that provide a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Here are some of the best breakfast foods to fuel your productivity. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly throughout the morning. It's also rich in fiber, which helps keep you full, and can be customized with toppings like fruits, nuts, and honey for added flavor and nutrients. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, which can improve digestion and boost your immune system. It's a great base for adding berries, granola, or honey. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline and vitamin B12. They can be prepared in various ways, such as scrambled, poached, or boiled. Whole grain toast. Opt for whole grain or whole wheat bread for a fiber-rich carbohydrate source. Top it with avocado, almond butter, or a poached egg for added nutrition. Smoothies. Blend fruits, vegetables, and protein sources like Greek yogurt or protein powder for a quick and portable breakfast option. Spinach, bananas, berries, and nut butter make excellent smoothie ingredients. Nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter, or any other nut butter spread on whole grain toast or a banana provides healthy fats and protein to keep you energized. Fresh fruits. Fruits like apples, bananas, and berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars. Pair them with yogurt, cottage cheese, or nut butter for a balanced breakfast. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a protein-packed dairy option that can be enjoyed on its own or mixed with fruits and honey for a sweet and savory breakfast. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Mix them with yogurt, milk, or juice to create a filling and nutritious chia pudding. Whole grain cereals. Look for cereals with whole grains and low added sugars. Pair them with milk or yogurt and top with sliced fruits or nuts. Lean breakfast meats. If you prefer a savory breakfast, consider lean options like turkey bacon, chicken sausage, or lean ham. Quinoa. Cooked quinoa can be a hearty, protein-packed base for a savory breakfast bowl. Add vegetables, a poached egg, and some spices for a delicious and satisfying meal. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Eating too much, even healthy foods, can lead to a sluggish feeling. Listen to your body's hunger cues and stop when you're satisfied. Meal prepping. Prepare some breakfast components in advance to save time in the morning. Make overnight oats, hard-boiled eggs, or portion out smoothie ingredients the night before. Balanced breakfast. Aim for a well-rounded breakfast that includes a combination of macronutrients. This balance can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full. Dietary restrictions. If you have dietary restrictions or preferences, such as vegan or gluten-free, there are plenty of options available. Explore plant-based protein sources like tofu or tempeh, gluten-free oats, or almond milk.